today.
It is. I was just, Heather, over the weekend, I was just thinking that.
I forgot my evening gown. I didn't get the memo?
I'll see you tomorrow on that, okay? We're going to just step it up a notch or two for the 4:30 show.
Yes.
Right?
You're so dapper today,
I like
Mike.
it.
Yes.
I like it a lot. The bougie factor is there, I guess, maybe. I don't know. That was a term we're using over the weekend. We were working this weekend, the bougie factor, whatever that means. Okay, so we've got hazy sunshine out there right now. For the fifth time this summer, we've now reached 100 in Oklahoma City. We did it today. We kind of bumped up next to it over the weekend. We did it today. Dew point's up close to 70. It's really thick outside, really soupy. The heat index 107 right now. Breezy south wind, kind of a victory here. Nothing in the high category, but moderate. The grass and the weed and the mole spore count. These temperatures here are definitely heading up. 104 in Watonga, 102 around Weatherford and Bridgeport. Downtown is 100. 104 in Stilley right now. Hot afternoon over at Eskimo Joe's. 105 in Ponca City. 106 now in Alva and 108 in Buffalo and Laverne. That's the hot spot. And the heat index running very, very close to 110 in a big part of the state, too, from the metro through northern Oklahoma into eastern Oklahoma. There's a 110 right there. You kind of pick them out. There's a 109. They're definitely there. So it's going to be a very warm evening, going to be a hot evening really till after sunset on the patio. So hazy, hot and humid out there. There's no precipitation. We have some storms rolling off the front range of the Colorado Rockies. This is the hint of the weather pattern change, which is still very much on the way. It's great news. The jet stream is shifting to our north in the northern plains. It's a little bit of a redo of what we had on July the 4th for about 5 days. Knocked our temperature way back. And that's going to be occurring on, Wednesday mornings when the front arrives in Oklahoma City. Tomorrow may be the hottest day of the summer so far, just ahead of that cold front. Heat tends to pile up just ahead of cold fronts this time of year. That cold front will push into far northern Oklahoma at daybreak in the morning and be pretty close to 412, maybe Highway 51 tomorrow afternoon. But again, along and just ahead of that, it's going to be even hotter tomorrow than it is out there today. So IMSA continues the heat alert. 103 my forecast high for Oklahoma City tomorrow. 94 in Dodge, 96 in Wichita, trimming back a little bit here. Branson, a hot, humid 96 for tomorrow. Dallas, 101, and mid-90s to low 100s in the high plains. In that high heat late tomorrow afternoon, there may be a couple of storms out there, and they may affect parts of the metro, so we'll watch that. Temperatures 85 to 93 at 10 p.m. At 10 p.m. this evening, 77 for a low tonight. And by daybreak, we'll see a few showers and thunderstorms push in from Kansas. Best chances up near the Kansas-Oklahoma border late tonight toward daybreak in the morning. Not much relief really tonight. It's going to be really quite warm. Some folks may not get much below 80 for a low temperature tonight. 77 here in Oklahoma City, Stillwater 78. Yes, there it is. 103 tomorrow. Heat index may hit 110. So today and tomorrow. Definitely stay out of the heat if you can. Prehydrate and hydrate. A lot of breaks, loose fitting, light colored clothing, and southwest wind at 12 to 20. Late in the day, 30% storm chance. That goes up maybe around 5, 6, 7 p.m. Very close to Oklahoma City. So we'll see if that pans out for us. But that appears to be where they're going to develop in this kind of medium shade of green very late tomorrow after a really hot day. 100 to 106 or so for the metro. The hot spot should be around Kingfisher. And just a tad less hot tomorrow. Doesn't look like it, but it's 108 right now in Harper County. About 96 in Woodward and 96 in Alva. Near the head of the front, quite hot. Upper 90s to about, again, 106 or 7 degrees. There's a slight risk later tomorrow. A lot of this will roll out of the panhandle tomorrow evening late into tomorrow night. It's a marginal risk tomorrow with those late afternoon storms that go up in the high heat in Oklahoma City. Here's the good news. This is Wednesday, and these are the daytime highs with a moderate probability of scattered showers and thunderstorms and middle 80s to upper 90s on Wednesday. Here's the rainfall with the first front that comes up late tomorrow through Wednesday and Thursday. Notice it's scattered. Not everybody sees it, but there are some folks that get some rain. And then the second front is stronger. That arrives on Saturday night into Sunday. Temperatures will ease back even more. And there's some decent totals right here. Grand total for the metro should be a half inch to about 1.3 inches of rain between the first cold front and the second cold front. And they're both right here on my 11 days. So 77, 103 for tomorrow. Late in the day, 30%, 73 to 86 on Wednesday. A moderate chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows are going to drop into the upper 60s. That's much, much better. A 69, a 66, and then some upper to mid 60s next week. And that second wave over the weekend, Heather, with a lot more cloud cover, should knock that temperature back really nicely. And that is such good news.
It really is.